Welcome, today in front of me Infinix Hot 11s, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast, and this is work correct. We can unlock the device just in 1 second, so this is the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes, pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.